put on his head. And all that was a simple, you know, next thing you know, these too far, niggas don't shoot up school. So now trying to keep up with the women, you know, those are self-esteem issues. Them Asians, they can't feel no motherfucking up like us talking about they niggas. They can't stand up and grab they motherfucking like this here, nigga. Them little motherfuckers, nigga, we rule. The Asian community is what I got to say.
But isn't that being racist? Though?
I'm very racist. As bad as niggas been done in the United States of America, we used to have to our mamas to make babies. The black boy used to get a bag put on his head, and all he did was white folks don't take no nigga and put him in Utah, put a leg monitor around his leg so he can't fuck up and do nothing. No. Them white folk shielded this boy. Made sure he didn't make no dumb decision, no nothing until we get this out the way. Because guess what? When we put that makeup on his face, that was a symbolized agreement that this is our boy now. Y'all won't have no more problems out of him unless he don't do what we say.
Your son is 18, right?
Yeah, that nigga 18, yeah.
If he wanted to start rapping tomorrow, would you let him?
Man, hell no. We go fall out. I'm talking about we go break up. I'm gonna tell him, no, man. Nigga go work at Walmart. You know, next thing you know, these niggas go be wanting the voluptuous lips. You know, so they can, you know, the LL Cool J lips. You know, all that kind of shit. But no, man, shout out to Band Man, keep it though, man. It look good too, boy. He his sister. He had to his aunties. They used to breed us, homie. They used to cut our dicks off. Niggas used to have to hang and get his cut off and put in his mouth. Yeah, we now it ain't going too far. Niggas don't shoot up schools. If either white boy said it, yeah, we need to be contacting the FBI. But niggas don't shoot up school, and billionaire niggas don't do that. So now we don't need to take everything like, hell no, we don't. No, hell no.
Yeah,
let the man, when the police start killing them, then I'll shut up. But let the police stop killing us and kill some of them goddamn Asian motherfuckers and see how fast they get legislation for police shooting. That's all I'm saying. Let the white police kill them and take a break off us.
And the men don't want to be left behind.
Next thing you know, they gonna want to be penetrated like a woman. Yeah, next thing you know, men gonna want to know what it feel like to be penetrated. So slow down, fellas. Don't be trying to keep up with the women now. Yeah, before you know it, you gonna be wanting somebody to make you more. See if you can get wet. So don't be trying to keep up with these goddamn women. Nigga, yeah, you talking about? Yeah, so now trying to keep up with the women is what make little boys wear mama shoes. After you done seen mama got dressed, getting ready for a party. I think that's what's happening right now. I think you did hit it on the head, my nigga. I think we are really competing with women as men. Yeah, I think somehow, some way, we've unintentionally created this gender war between us and women, homie. And we competing. I think the woman competing to be the masculine and the strongest, and the man competing with her to show he can be just as pretty as she is. So my mother say silence is a form of agreement. If I'm somewhere and a nigga run around and say, yeah, nigga, when I was done this, nigga, when I was in the penitentiary, I was whooping nigga, and I was this, and I was in prison with him, and I let him say that, and I know he's lying, then I'm in agreement.